Hey, this is Komal from Zoom.ai. Today, I'm going to show you how to integrate Avaya Spaces video with Zoom.ai. When you sign in, you'll be taken to the dashboard. The dashboard displays your meeting types. Think of meeting types as meeting templates that you can create and customize for different workflows. Let's go in and add that integration. Click on My Account, then My Integrations, Add, and then Video Conferencing. Click the Add button under the Avaya Spaces logo. You will then be directed to an Avaya Spaces login page. After you input your credentials, you will be redirected back to the Zoom.ai app. You will have the option of using your Avaya Spaces meeting room as the default room for your meetings. Or you could choose to create a new room every time someone books a meeting with you. Select the meeting types you would like to add this integration to. If you want to add Avaya Spaces to a new meeting type, simply click on New Meeting Type, add your customizations, and then click on Location and Conferencing. Add Avaya Spaces as your video provider under the Dynamic option. Click Save, and you're done. To experience what your invitee sees, simply click on your personal scheduling link. Put in your name, your email address, and then click on Select a Time. Pick a time slot of your choice and then click Confirm. You will also notice that the user is being notified that this specific meeting will be an Avaya Spaces video meeting on the left-hand side here. Go to your calendar and click on the invite you picked a date and time for. You will see that the meeting has been successfully booked with the Avaya Spaces video links and the one-tap phone number that the invitees will need to join the meeting. Scheduling has honestly never been simpler. Feel free to book time with our support team with the link in the description below. Happy scheduling from all of us at Zoom.ai.